Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing. This is a package that I've been having here at home for ages and I didn't have the opportunity to open it. So today I'm doing it. I have here a Victorinox knife and let's see. This is a pen that I received from Portugal and I bought it from a fellow pen user and lover here in Portugal. So here it is, the package. It has a letter that I will try to keep it quietly for myself. And here I have the stuff. So his name is Dinis and he's still trying to work with 3D printers and making 3D printed pens. And fun, I have here my logo in 3D printing. So nice. I didn't know this surprise would be here in the inside the package. So here we have the pen. He says it's not yet comfortable for kind of, how can I say, for promoting his work because he's still experimenting stuff, but I think with his interest in this kind of thing he will make I think he'll not stop making pens and making more experiments with 3D printing. Let me move my tripod closer with the light. So let's try to open this. I have the letter here. Just let me take a little look at it. I was just looking what he wrote. Okay, so I understand now. He decided to make this kind of a medal with, or this kind of a coin with the channel logo. So I can put it like right here, like if it was the watermark in the video. Kind of fun. And so let's open this. So here is the pen and there is something interesting to say about it, and there is an extra part here and I will talk about it in a moment. So what he did was this pen, it has no branding as far as I know, and used the technique. I cannot describe it because I don't know anything about 3D printing process, but what I understood is that he created kind of a random printing pattern. I don't know if I can say random and pattern at the same time, if it makes sense, just to create this rough feel to the pen instead of having those usual lines that you see at 3D printed objects. So it's kind of very natural and organic. It almost feels like a little bit of unpolished or unsanded wood. So here we have the pen. Okay, and here you have it. It has a Jinhao number 8 nib, because these are nice nibs that can be easily, some need to have some adjustment, but they are really easy to get and they are nice and big. And so the pen is quite big also. It's a large pen, it's nice. It has this step down here before the threads, but it's not really sharp, and because the pen is large enough, you don't hold the pen in the step, you hold it on the section. So that is great. And then when you open it, you can have here the regular cartridge that you put in this Jinhao pen. So I will ink it and play with it very, very, very soon. And I will make some videos about it, of course. So this is the pen by Dinis and Dinis Santiago, and so thank you so much for allowing me to purchase this very early experiment of yours. He also sent me a kind of smooth section if I would prefer to change it, kind of like no, in contrast with this other that is texturized, and I really like the texture on the other one, on the one that has that kind of texture. It really feels great. So the cap is small, the pen is big enough because it is this 3D printing material. It's very light, so I will just ink it and try to play with it. And I see that I think there is very little clearance inside for the nib. So if one should remove the nib and put it again, we should be sure that it is well fitted. Otherwise it could touch the inside of the cap. So I really like it. I think that the design is interesting. I just wanted to bring here some other pens that I have that are 3D printed, just for comparison. And I have this one that is also a cartridge converter pen, and this is from Great Fountain in Italy, and it is called Hexadeca pen. Sorry, this light is always turning because this little tripod is not working well anymore. But so it is a cartridge converter pen. It is called Hexadeca pen from Great Fountain. It has a smoother finish and it is faceted, and it has strange threads. I have two Titan pens by William Shakur. One is this Titan, which is a very big pen. It is a piston filler. And I have this one, which is the Titan Pocket, also the same brand, smooth material and also a piston filler. All of these have number 8 nibs. This one I have titanium a number 8 nibs by Bock. This one has the number 8 nib, number 8 steel nib by Jinhao, and this one has a number 6 Iovo nib branded with Great Fountain. So this is my 4th 3D printed pen. I'm really excited to use it. It's very discreet. I think in a way it's my kind of pen, very simple, and I just want to start using it. So thank you for watching, and I hope that soon I will be able to show more things made by Dinis. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next video. Bye.